15 minutes, 30 minutes, there is a wick up. Flip it down. 1 hour bearish, 4 hour bearish. Can expect move to this range fill. Yes. Go, go, go. 30 minutes. It's fill this range. I must have been holded. Small wick there. You should not enter to the small wick candles. 30 minutes. 1 hour, there's the same wick rejection. There's a high probability that gonna reject from this area. In 4 hour, it gives new candle open in 4 hour. Better to wait. I think it gonna pass through this area. Expecting a 1:2. Man, we shouldn't enter there. It's a rejection. Bullish, turned bullish, bullish. Think it gonna take a counter trend like entry. It's gonna reject from there. Yes. 30 minutes is bullish. It's recovering from, it's reversed from the downtrend. It's failed to create the new lower low. It's failed. Now it's pushing up. If this break this previous higher low, it may go up. It's closed. 30 minutes also closed. 1 hour still running. Now 4 hour turned bearish. Yes. 1 hour turned bearish. 30 minutes turned bearish. Think me can take impulse entry. Filling this range. Low risk. Yes, exactly. 30 minutes bullish, 1 hour bullish, super setup. like super wick up. Looks like it gonna fill this whole range. Like 4 hour bearish. This is also super wick. Super candle entry. If this fails, man. See how it closed? I should have put in break even. There's a small, man, it didn't reach. Thing gonna go down. Better to close. It reversing to upside. Think there's a high probability gonna go down. See. Taking a buy, that to counter trend, and there are rejections. Wrong trade. $30. Let the 15-minute candle close. And that to 4 hour is bearish. All trend is downside. I told you it will fail. See what happened? As I told you, it will fail. Fucked up. 1 hour gives entry signal. Think we can enter next candle because there is a rejection in 15 minutes. Let the clear, that's it. See, it was better option to not enter at that side because there is a rejection here, here. Better to close below, then enter a candle. That's how it would work. In 30 minutes, it was rejected at the same area. 1 hour, rejected. 4 hours, still bearish. See, that was actually a counter trend entry. And there are rejections, it was a bad idea to enter. Now we can enter. That to 30 minutes, bullish. It may reject. It may fail this trade. Better to exit right now. See. $30. Closed below. Candle closed below. Okay, I will enter this trade. If this candle reaches this range, I will take it to break even and expect it to hold this level here. Now I can exit before I exit. As I expected, it was rejected from that area. Same rejection from 1 hour, 4 hour. Shit, man. I thought I gonna enter this here. I just clicked it. Miss a trade. Like think we can enter and expect it to fill this up range. Like here. 30 minutes. Impulse entry. 4 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour. In 1 hour it was super entry here. Better to exit because it is rejecting from there. Now we are safe. I can decrease the stop loss. 30 minutes still going on, still running 1 hour. Man, I may secure the profits after the 50-minute candle held. Like close, it gonna hit it in 1 hour. Think it gonna flip down if this week, if this creates a week. In 4 hour, it gonna fill this whole range to this week. Going down. Bullish, bullish. When it rejecting multiple times, better to exit. Man, that was a huge trade. I didn't expect that. 30 minutes, still high. 1 hour it was a weak fill. It was filled the week. And then impulsively down. In 30 minutes it was bearish. That was like created a week in 1 hour. See, it was a trap. Every time where hamper is bullish, and in 15 minutes it's giving a sell setup. That was a trap. No idea where to put the target. This is all the clean range. Think better to secure here. This was super entry. Clean breakout. Clean wick down and clean upside momentum. Man, that think I can secure here. Clean breakout in 15 minutes and 30 minutes. That was cool. 4 hour support, 1 hour support, clean breakout. Man, like this is the perfect setup. Think it may reject it. Yes, it gives some pips to these weak rejections. 30 minutes, there's a resistance left side, and there's a weakening for 1 hour. 4 hour weak rejection. We can expect to fill this range. 30 minutes, 1 hour bullish, 4 hour bullish. Yeah, this was the area to enter. here and exit here. There's a weak rejection here. Counter trend. That means there are also weak rejection. Think I can enter buy because of the uptrend. Yeah, it was worked out. 30 minutes. I know. There's a weak rejection. And the candle wick is very weak. That was filled down very before the pre-London session. This is 1 hour. It gives A plus. Can we enter impulse entry? Better to wait. Yeah, that was a good. 30 minutes. It gives a weak fill. Even there is a big reaction because the whole trend is upside. We can take it. 4 hour weak fill. 1 hour. It may turn to downside in 1 hour. It gives a big sell trade. think I can hold to here. Man, shit. That was a good area to secure. Yeah, I told you. It flip down, it will move some pips downside. 4 hour, turn to downside. Better to wait for the 15 minutes and 30 minutes confirmation. See, another full week. This is taken only based on 15 minutes. Ranging mark. Think I can take impulse entry. Think it gonna fail. Like, let's try it. Yeah, I told you. It's gonna fail. There's a resistance. 1 hour, there's a big fill. Think it's gonna go downside. Downtrend in 30 minutes. Man, as I thought, it's gonna reject. 30 minutes rejected from there, and the 1 hour is in uptrend. Now this is gonna work. To break even, it worked. It collected liquidity from the upside and goes down. Think we can able to entry under 1 minute because of the gone very impulsively. It may reject from this area because same resistance in 15 minutes and 30 minutes in 1 hour to extended. Maybe it work. Better to exit if this is gonna like see as it will better to exit like 30 minutes is gonna be done again. Flip to bearish. If this is gonna cross, it may turn to bearish and fill this week. In 15 minutes, it's giving a down counter trend entry. Now I can enter. It may reject from this week. Previous candle low. 1 hour bearish, 4 hour bearish, 30 minutes bearish, 15 minutes bearish. Yeah. Think better to exit from this area. Yeah, as I thought. Because so many times we cannot expect a full week. No, I can enter. Better to break even now. Let her exit. Yes. I think you can hold. Yeah, as I thought it filled fill through the all the resistance. Think that was an impulse entry. It failed because of the overextension. No bigger wick, no volume. Now we can enter. It may also fail because even in 30 minutes, too overextended. 1 hour full bearish, full bearish. Think we can enter. Secure a few pips. And the two there is a rejection area. As it thought, it was not. Yeah. This is. If this gives a powerful wick and turns up, I can may take a buy. If this is gonna move impulsively in 15 minutes and goes turns down, we may take 30 minutes wick fill. In 1 hour supports wick fill, 4 hour supports wick fill. Depends on the candle move. Think can enter now. Yeah, low risk. Anyway, better to take it to break even. It may reverse and give a wick fill in 13 1 hour, 30 and 1 hour time frames. Yeah, as I told you, it will flips downside. See, as I told you, it will collects the liquidity and turns down. That it is what I have seen this so many times. All times we feel. This has high probability of winning. See that? That was a huge downside. Because of 13 week fill support, 1 hour week fill support, 4 hour week fill support. Now it may reject from this area. There is a resistance in 15 minutes. There is a resistance in next to side like this. In 30 minutes, yeah, same resistance, same supports formed. 30 minutes bullish, bearish 1 hour, 4 hour bearish. It may turn downside, like if it flips, it have a high chance of filling this range because 30 minutes 1 hour is still bullish, 1 hour and 4 hour. Yeah, flip to downside, but there is no momentum to downside. Can buy to counter trend entry. 30 minutes supports bearish, bullish. Better to take it to the see that pullback. 30 minutes supports 1 hour, quick fill, 4 hour, still bearish. Think now I think it better to close it not moving. Break even. Yes, exactly. Exactly. See this. It fills the wick in 30, 15 minutes. Impulsive entry. Yeah, and this was a huge move to downside. Still going on, not now stopping. Not even retracing back. That was impulsive. 30 minutes bearish. 30 minutes still bearish. 'Think we can take a sell. It collects the liquidity at a high probability of filling this week. Better to break even. See, these kind of moves are very dangerous. 30 minutes bearish. See, it was a big bull run. Like that was a huge move. Take the fresh levels. Now if you put downside, better to wait for a pullback or counter trend. Man, this is going on. Like it's not caring about the resistance and support. It's like going on. Impulsive entry. Another big fill. Dangerous. High probability of failing. 30 minutes super bearish. 1 hour super bearish. 4 hour bearish. Better to close here. Yes. And we test. We can expect a counter trend or pullback here. It may higher chance. So next 13 minutes, 1 hour is closing. This is not a good entry. There is no wick, and that too it is super bearish. Better to avoid buys. The two weak candles. See, as I told you, you may enter on the close the weak rejection. Now it put down. Still on downside. Just gone in 30 minutes. This is a good entry. In 1 hour it gives a wick fill. 4 hour bearish. Better to break even right now. It's not moving. Yes. That minutes still on running. Now we can take it. Man, just 1 minute, it will snap to downside. Like here, 30 minutes bearish, 1 hour wick fill. See that momentum? Like it was so fast. Same resistance, can take it to here. See, exactly rejected from that support. Wick fill, 30 minutes wick fill, 1 hour wick fill. Man, this world is wick fill. 4 hour wick fill. Yes. Now it may move to downside. Very small wick. It's okay. 15 minutes in just 1 minute. See how much big move it given. 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes. This was the entry point. Just 1 minute. 30 minutes. It was reversing back again. Think he can take a sell. Big fill in 1 hour. 4 hour bearish. 30 minutes A plus. Impulse in 15 minutes. Man, this was too much. It was rejected. Fail. Major reason. I must have waited for that. Close below. Think we can sell right now. 1 hour impulse and 30 minutes impulse entry. 1 hour quick fill. Better to get into break even. Yes, successful.